So I'm standing on the corner of Clip River Road, and there's a DN 600mm pipe running straight under the road over here, and the burst is on the second side of the road. But the problem is there's been no water to these residents, so now they're burning tires and there's unrest. And the mayor was out here just now, but as soon as the police can clear away all the people, the main contractor can come and pump out the water. And then our role is support to train the contractors, the BEE guys, how to put a CIPP under pressure in a pipe. Obviously want to drain it first, but as soon as they can clear the people from rioting here, they seem pretty calm now. I mean, there's smoldering tires and they've stopped breaking and destroying stuff, but you can see there's rocks scattered all over the road. So they've shut down, this is a very busy intersection to L Road. So this part of Clip River to a major industrial hub is closed down, and this is typical around South Africa about what's happening, because we've got this pipe that's burst that we'll have to fix as soon as they can get this out, these people.